Hello students, today we shall learn about sentence and its kinds. As you know, there are 26 letters in English alphabet, which are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H to Z. A group of letters that expresses a particular meaning is known as a word. For example, these letters F, A, T, H, E, R makes a word father. M, O, T, H, E, R, these letters makes a word mother. Same as a group of words so arranged that expresses a complete sense is known as a sentence. For example, I read in ABM Academy. In this sentence, these words are so arranged that it make a complete sense. My favorite subject is English. Now, there are four types of sentences, which are assertive sentence, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Assertive sentences has two types, affirmative and negative. First, assertive sentences. These sentences are informational type, which can be positive or which can be negative. If the sentence states positive, then it is known as affirmative sentence, and if the sentence states negative information, then it's known as negative sentence. For example, we should respect our elders. This sentence informs us that we should respect our elders. It's an affirmative sentence. I read in class 4th. Affirmative sentence. India did not win the match. This sentence shows the negativity related to the India who did not win the match. So it's a negative sentence. Next, I have not done my homework. It's a negative sentence. We use full stop. This mark is known as full stop at the end of assertive sentence. You can see here all sentences have full stop at their end. Next sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. These sentences are question type and the question mark is used at the end of interrogative sentences. For example, how are you? How are you is an interrogative sentence because it raises a question about you, that how are you, and the question mark at the last shows that it's an interrogative sentence. Second, where do you live? This sentence raises a question about your location and ask where do you live and question mark at the end of sentence, so it's an interrogative sentence. What is your name? Who are you? We use always question mark at the end of interrogative sentences. Next, imperative sentence. These kind of sentences shows order, request, advice and prohibition. For example, be quiet. Be quiet shows an order. Have mercy upon us. It shows request. Never tell a lie. It shows advice. And do not make a noise. It shows a prohibition for not to make a noise. In these sentences, the subjects are invisible, which is almostly you. In next sentence, exclamatory sentences. These sentences shows the emotions of surprise, sorrow and joy. For example, how beautiful is the rain? Exclamation mark. How cold the day is! Exclamation mark. What a lazy boy you are! Exclamation mark. What a shame! Exclamation mark. We use exclamation mark at the end of exclamatory sentences.